Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Chem Corona. In this video, we are going to discuss phenanthrene, its synthesis, reactions and medicinal uses. Let us see the structure and numbering of phenanthrene. The molecular formula of phenanthrene is C14H10. It is isomeric with anthracene. Phenanthrene is a tricyclic fused ring aromatic hydrocarbon. It is a type of angular polynuclear hydrocarbon. It occurs in coal tar in anthracene oil fraction, and it is present along with anthracene in the green oil fraction of coal tar. The various carbon atoms of phenanthrene are numbered as shown here. So we can start numbering of the phenanthrene ring either in this way, or you can number the phenanthrene ring in this way. Let us see the different methods for synthesis of phenanthrene. The first method for synthesis of phenanthrene is Haworth synthesis. Haworth synthesis is carried out by reaction of naphthalene with succinic anhydride in presence of aluminium chloride, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction, to give 5-naphthalene 1-yle 5-oxo-pentanoic acid. This is further subjected to Clemenson's reduction by treatment with ZnHg and HCl. It is then further heated with concentrated H2SO4 to give 2,3-dihydrophenanthrene 4,1-H-one. This on further reduction gives tetrahydrophenanthrene. Finally, subjecting this tetrahydrophenanthrene with selenium yields substituted phenanthrene as the final compound. The next method for synthesis of phenanthrene is Score synthesis. In Score synthesis, orthonitrobenzaldehyde is heated with sodium phenyl acetate in presence of acetic anhydride, that is Perkin's reaction, to yield alpha-phenyl orthonitrocinamic acid. This product on reduction gives amino compound, that is this nitro group is converted to amino group, which on further diazotization with a diazotizing salt gives diazonium derivative, which is also called as diazonium salt. The diazonium salt on reaction with sulfuric acid and copper powder yields phenanthrene 9-carboxylic acid, which on strong heating gives phenanthrene as the final compound. The third method for synthesis of phenanthrene is Bardhan-Sengupta synthesis. Jogendra Chandra Bardhan and Suresh Chandra Sengupta have their own signatures in the world of chemistry for their outstanding contribution to the synthesis of phenanthrene and its derivative. In this synthesis, the starting materials are 2-phenylethyl bromide and ethyl cyclohexane 2-carboxylate. These two are prepared as shown here. Bardhan-Sengupta synthesis can be explained as reaction of beta-phenylethyl bromide with ethyl cyclohexanone 2-carboxylate in presence of potassium salt yields ethyl 2-beta-phenylethyl cyclohexanone 2-carboxylate, that is, there is a condensation of these two molecules, which on further treatment with alkali like potassium hydroxide gives cyclohexanone. This, on further treatment with moist ether and sodium, yields alcoholic group, that is C double bond O is converted to OH, which on further reduction with phosphorus pentoxide yields 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12 octahydrophenanthrene, and treatment of this octahydrophenanthrene with selenium yields the final compound, that is phenanthrene. The next method for synthesis of phenanthrene is Bogart-Cook synthesis. In Bogart-Cook synthesis, the starting material is phenyl ethyl magnesium bromide, which on condensation with cyclohexanone gives cyclohexanol derivative. This cyclohexanol derivatives also yields some styrene compound as a byproduct. Treatment of this alcoholic cyclohexanol derivative with concentrated H2SO4 leads to cyclization yielding octahydrophenanthrene ring. Subjecting this octahydrophenanthrene ring with selenium gives the final compound, that is phenanthrene. Similarly, we can also prepare phenanthrene using Staub condensation, wherein the starting material is alpha acetyl naphthalene. This alpha acetyl naphthalene undergoes a chain of reaction to yield substituted phenanthrene as the end product. Let us discuss the various reactions of phenanthrene. Phenanthrene undergoes addition reaction as well as electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction occur at position 9 and 10 because the carbocation formed by electrophilic attack at these positions on phenanthrene is more stable. So, the carbocation which is formed by electrophilic attack at C9 position contains two intact benzene ring. The first electrophilic reaction is nitration reaction. So phenanthrene reacts with concentrated HNO3 to yield 9-nitrophenanthrene as the product. Similarly, bromination of phenanthrene can be carried out by reacting it with bromine in presence of ferric bromide to give 9-bromophenanthrene as the product. Oxidation of phenanthrene yields phenanthraquinone as the final compound. So we can subject phenanthrene ring to oxidation in presence of potassium dichromate to give 9,10-phenanthrone as the end product. Let us discuss the addition reactions of phenanthrene. Phenanthrene on reduction with sodium and alcohol forms 9,10-dihydrophenanthrene, whereas addition of halogen atoms to the phenanthrene ring yields 9,10-dihalo substituted phenanthrene compound. In this case, we can see phenanthrene on reaction with bromine gives 9,10-dibromo 9,10-dihydrophenanthrene as the final compound. Medicinal uses of phenanthrene. Phenanthrene nucleus is present in steroids, sex hormones, morphine alkaloids, cardiac glycosides, and bile acids. Morphine is used for the symptomatic relief of moderate to severe pain associated with postoperative pain. It is a powerful analgesic and narcotic, whereas codeine is a weak analgesic. It is used as an antitussive agent. Thank you for patient listening and happy learning. Like, share and subscribe my channel Chem Corona.